What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a sales development representative position. This is a brand new job lead, new company that I've never covered here before on this channel. And at this job, you can make upwards of around $80,000 per year. The range is around $58,000 to $88,000 per year, being a sales development representative. And this is with you working full-time remotely from home. So if you do have any sales experience or you are interested in becoming a sales development representative or getting into sales, then this is something that you can look into. I'll go through all the job details in just a bit. But before we do that, I also want to cover two other job opportunities here that are hiring right now, and also for the most part are always looking for new people. Now, one of these is going to be with doing transcription jobs, and the other one is going to be customer service or customer service related. And these two companies are usually always hiring people for these two roles. So I'll go through that very quickly. But before we get into all those details, I just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting daily new job leads and job videos every single day. And I'm posting different jobs. So for example, I recently posted a job that was data entry. You could make up to $39 per hour working from home doing data entry. Then I posted another job, which was a product support specialist, claims technical specialist, administration analyst, work from home as a credential specialist, making around $28 per hour. There were other data entry related jobs. There were customer care jobs. There were live chat jobs. There were jobs where you didn't really need any experience. They provided paid training, which are beginner friendly jobs. So a ton of jobs here. And again, I am posting jobs here every single day, brand new companies, brand new job leads. So if you are in the market for a new job, if you're looking for a part-time remote job, full-time remote job, even an overnight remote job, then definitely you want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. This is the work from home channel. And again, moving forward, this is where I'm going to be putting all the work from home related content. So be sure to go over and subscribe. Link is somewhere on the screen right now or down below in the description, or I'll pin it in a comment down below. Also, quickly, just another quick reminder, the Prorese Templates is right here. If you are struggling or if you're having issues with your resume, or maybe you're just not landing a lot of interviews or any interviews at all, then probably you need a professionally done resume. And these are professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. And basically, if your resume isn't optimized for the system, what may end up happening is that your resume could be filtered out and just discarded before it actually makes it to a hiring manager or to a real human for screening or review. So that way you probably won't land any interviews. So you definitely want an ATS optimized resume. And these are 3 templates. Choose the one you like the most, use it, or you could use them all. They come broken down into sections, each section having instructions. This way you know exactly how to customize these templates depending on what type of job you're applying for. You're getting matching cover letter templates, matching reference page templates, and matching thank you letter templates or interview follow-ups with instructions as well. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs. You can do this very quickly. I included a screen recording here showing you guys exactly how you can edit these quickly. And again, Google Docs is completely free. You don't have to pay for any software, and you can edit these on any device as long as you have the internet and a browser. So this resource is linked down below if you need it. With that said, let's dive into today's job lead. So first thing I want to cover are these two companies that are always hiring for the most part. And the first one is going to be Algist, and this is a transcription job. Now, for the most part, they're always hiring transcriptionists. And as a transcriptionist here, you're going to be working on legal and also insurance transcription. So as they say here, they specialize in transcription for the insurance and legal industries. Their work from home transcriptionists transcribe recorded audio files for some of the largest providers in the company. And this means that there's always a sizable and steady workflow that satisfies transcription contracts of many types and sizes. So you can click here to apply, or actually I'll just leave the link down below. But this is the application for this job. Now for this job, there isn't really a traditional, I would say, interview process, but they are going to be doing a test. So you'll have to do a test to show them that you can actually do transcription jobs, or that you can actually transcribe some material. And then based on that, you can move forward in the job process. But that's basically all you will be doing here. So this is a company that is always hiring, always looking for transcriptionists. So you definitely want to look into this if you're looking for a flexible remote work from home opportunity. Now, secondly, there's this other company, Working Solutions. Here, they're usually always hiring as well. Now, their application process is a bit different as well. There isn't a traditional interview. So you create your profile, you add your experience, then you take some assessments so they can judge how good you'll be at doing this job. Then they scan your PC for viruses and to make sure you have all the requirements, and then you get to choose which opportunity you want to work on. Now, right now, they only have 2 opportunities, but from time to time, they have multiple opportunities or new ones. So here they have a customer service representative position for the United States and one for Canada. So these are the 2 positions they have now. But again, you could actually set your profile up here, add your experience, take assessments, and then you could kind of just wait around until a different position or a new position pops up, probably something that you like more if you don't want to be doing customer service here. But this is also another company that is usually hiring all the time. Now, with those 2 covered, let's dive right into the job lead for today, which is going to be at this company. It's Patient Prism. And here they're currently hiring for a sales development representative. So if we open this position up, you can see that this is going to be a full-time remote position. You get some benefits here: dental insurance, it's a flexible schedule, food provided. Well, this probably won't be for the remote position, but you also get health insurance, vision insurance, and a ton of benefits here. Now, for this one, it isn't a beginner friendly or entry level type of job, because required skills and qualifications here, they want someone that has 2 to 3 years of sales, marketing, or customer service experience, also with a history of goal-strong communication skills via phone, email, social media experience in a fast-paced environment. So you do need some experience here. However, it could be marketing, customer service, sales. If you have experience in any of those, then that would be good here. As for preferred qualifications, they would prefer someone who's good with HubSpot or other CRM software, prior experience as a sales development rep, also a track record of achieving sales quotas. So that is the preferred qualifications here. But as for what you'll be doing in this job, you'll represent the company's products and services and meet new people with their sales team to generate meetings and sales pipeline. You'll use multiple methods like phone, email, social media to engage and ask people or prospect business and help them understand how Patient Prism may be able to help solve their problems. So this is what you'll be doing: manage and track and report all data activities in the CRM. So that is what you'll be doing in this job. So again, if you do have some experience in sales, marketing, or customer service, this is something that you can look into. Now, they didn't list the salary for this position. I'll leave the link down below so you can apply if you are interested. But I was able to find this company on Glassdoor. However, there weren't many salaries listed here, only 9 salaries and also only 9 reviews. So not really a lot of info on this company, but they are on Glassdoor. And as for this particular position, there was only 1 reported salary here, so this may not really be all that accurate. But the range here is $58,000 to $88,000 per year. Base pay seems to average right around $48,000, with commissions, bonuses, or other incentives making up around $22,000 per year. So I'd say this is what you should expect to make working here. So if you're fine with that and you have some experience, then definitely apply, and I'll be leaving the link down below. But with that said, this was the job lead for today. So we had Patient Prism, a sales development representative position, which was completely remote. Also, we have the transcriptionist position here. They're always hiring transcriptionists. So if you are interested in doing that and you are are flexible in terms of your schedule, then that's something that you could look into as well. And also we had Working Solutions, which is a company that again is always hiring and doesn't really have a traditional interview process. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. Don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, the Work From Home channel, where I actually just posted another brand new job lead just now. So be sure to go over and check that out and subscribe if you haven't already done so. But all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.